Hi everyone, welcome back to Jady Kreativ. Today, I'm showing you 8 essential hand hemming stitches for clothes, simple, clean, and perfect for beginners. These stitches help you finish hems neatly and keep your garments looking polished. Now, we'll start with the first stitch, twin needle stitch. For this stitch, make sure you sew from the right side of the fabric to get those clean, parallel lines. It creates 2 clean, parallel lines on the right side and a neat zigzag on the inside, giving your knit hems a professional, cover stitch-like look. It's fairly strong with good stretch, so you'll often see it on t-shirts, sweaters, and activewear. Next is catch stitch or herringbone stitch. This stitch forms crisscrossed X-shaped stitches that lie flat and flexible, making it great for hemming fabrics that need a bit of stretch or movement. You'll often see it on knitwear hems, jackets, skirts, and garments where you want the hem secured but not stiff. It's moderately strong, holds the hem well, and stays discreet even when the fabric moves. And now let's move on to this pink version. It's the same cross-stitch style, but done with longer, more open X shapes. This gives the hem a softer, decorative look while still holding the edge securely. By the way, if you're learning something new so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to support my channel. Your support means a lot and helps me create more fun, useful tutorials for you. Thank you so much. Continue with the next hemming stitch, the buttonhole stitch. Buttonhole stitch, it creates tight, loop knots along the fabric edge to keep it from fraying. Each loop has a small knot that locks the thread in place, making the seam extra secure. You'll usually see it in buttonholes, eyelets, and spots that need a clean, reinforced finish. Strong, secure, and perfect for edges that get a lot of wear. And this is the blind stitch. This blind stitch has two types, let's find out together. This is the slip stitch or blind stitch. It creates tiny crossed stitches that grab just a few fabric threads on each side, allowing the edges to pull together and disappear into a clean, invisible seam. It's a light to medium strength stitch, perfect for neat finishing rather than structural seams. You'll usually use it to close turning gaps, finish hems, or attach linings. And you'll often see this stitch inside tailored garments, dress pants, skirts, and other pieces that need a clean, hidden closure. The next version of blind stitch, you'll see it almost invisible. This version of the blind stitch is designed to stay almost invisible on both sides of the fabric. It takes only a tiny bite of the inner layer, so the thread barely shows on the outside. You'll usually see it in hemming dress pants, skirts, and garments where you want a clean finish without visible stitches. Perfect when you need the seam to disappear completely. This is the pick stitch. It creates tiny anchor points that secure two layers together while leaving only small dots visible on the front. It's often used in tailoring, hemming, and decorative hand sewing because it's neat, flexible, and moderately strong. Normally, the stitches stay almost invisible if you take very small bites of fabric. But for this demo, I'm making the stitches longer so you can easily see the technique. The last stitch is also the one I use the most because of its clean look and strength. This is the interlock stitch. It creates crossed loops that lock into each other, forming a stable edge. This stitch is quite strong and helps reinforce raw edges very well. It keeps edges flat, clean, and durable, which is why it's often used for finishing seams, hemming thick fabrics, or adding decorative edges. You'll often see this stitch on t-shirts, sweaters, hoodies, and other knitwear, especially along hems, sleeves, and neckline areas. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these hemming stitches help you repair and finish your clothes with confidence. If you enjoyed this tutorial, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more sewing tips and DIY techniques. See you in the next video.